This is a quick step-by-step guide on how to change language on Paramount Plus on TV. So you open the Paramount Plus app on your TV, then start playing a show or movie. While the movie or show is playing, look for the audio and subtitle icon, usually a speech bubble or text icon on the screen. Let me show you. Like we can go here, Paramount Plus caption bubble. It will look something like this. Here you can see this is something like that, and select the icon to open the audio and subtitle menu. Choose your desired language for audio or subtitles. If you're not seeing the option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If you have further issues, check the settings on your TV or consult the Paramount Plus help section. As easy as that, but it shouldn't be any problem. Like, it's so simple to change the language.